Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 7th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So on the Aussie dollar, we're trying to determine whether this is going to end up being an ABC. If it is an ABC, it will likely bounce, breaking structure at a Fibonacci level and continuing the downtrend, or whether this is actually a wave one, a wave two, and a wave three. To be honest with you, I'm definitely leaning towards one, two, three because of the US dollar index. If it is a one, two, three, it still could bounce from fib levels, but it will not break structure. So as of now, I would definitely highly suggest still looking for longs unless we get that double top breaker structure at either the 61 or the 78%. While you're looking for longs, if it's actually a wave three that just keeps on making higher highs, higher lows, then that's actually great news for you because you're already looking for longs. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.